Do you think this is acceptable for me to film a video with?
Yeah, I actually think you can at the moment.
You're literally like hitting and dragging my face around.
Maybe a makeup artist.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Eva and this is Hayl's World.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm doing Hayley's makeup.
Hey
Thank you very
guys,
much for visiting.
welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, you wouldn't have seen Eva's face before. Eva has been in 2 of my sit-down videos, you've
No.
You're in a mukbang.
And then Dad's.
Oh no, 3, at least 3 or 4.
3 or 4.
Yeah, but we did a video back in the summer, which was I did Eva's makeup, and we said we were going to do the reverse and Eva do my makeup, but we just never got around to it, did we?
No.
So we decided that we would do it now we're in another lockdown, so we have
And
the
I'm
time
gonna
to
do
do it. So we're going to film it today. Make sure if you're new here to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And yeah, let's get into it. Although, I just want to quickly say, it doesn't matter to you, but I'm filming, I normally film on the front camera, and I don't like the fact that I can't see myself right now, so it feels really weird. But anyway, I'm going to go and pop my little headband on.
Did I say you could do that? No, so don't put it on.
What?
I didn't ask you to put your headband on.
I'll put my headband
My
on.
video.
It's not your video.
I've been given a box of this shit, which is all covered in makeup.
Yeah, I
so-
haven't really told her, like...
I know how to do makeup. I do my
No, I
own
know,
makeup
but
every day.
I haven't told you, like,
Have
the
you
stuff...
got your brushes?
Oh yeah, they're up there.
Okay.
I haven't really told you, like, what I use daily, have I? So,
No, I don't have a clue. Which
So
one.
I'm kind of just giving you full reign of what's in the box. So some of it may not be like my
Can
my
I
skin
get some
colour.
of my own stuff?
No. Either also bought me a Costa.
Yeah, but you're going to pay me back.
Hopefully that's fine then. I'm worried now. You've mucked with it.
I'm
Right,
starting
wait,
with...
so we haven't done any primer.
Yeah, that's what I'm starting with. I'm starting
That's
with
not a
the
primer.
tinted primer.
No, I don't use that. It's not a
No,
primer.
hang on. You can't have a word in this. I'm using what's in the box.
No, I wouldn't use that as a primer. Yeah, I use that a lot. I like that one.
Okay, this is primer. We'll use this one.
Don't use too much, look. It's quite glowy.
And you don't need to tell me what to do.
I do also want to film another video after this. I've told Eva that I don't want to look like a clown. Careful, no, that's loads. I don't want that much.
It's iridescent. Ooh.
Yeah, it's shiny. That's what I mean. It's highlighty, so you don't need a lot of it.
Okay, right. Close your eyes, please.
I didn't close my eyes. It's only primer. I'm not sure. Now I'm like massively regretting this. That's all you need. Don't like this. I don't-
Why is your face pink now?
Exactly, it's pink. I told you you didn't need a lot of it. You're gonna give me spots. Oh,
You got a big head, it's fine. We'll just keep-
get...
Look at me. Look at me.
Oh, careful.
Perfect. That's it done.
I'm a bit scared for myself right now.
Now we're gonna start eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
Yeah, because you get full out. Oh no,
Okay,
actually.
no, that is fair. I used to do that on my nights out in the past.
Yeah, well, we're
so.
going on a night out tonight.
Mm.
I'm off out tonight.
Saturday
I'm off
night.
to Dad's for dinner.
Right. Most of them, to be fair, most of them are clean.
Right. You're
That
not
clean
allowed
one?
to, yes, it's clean. You're not allowed to see the colour whilst I put it. Oh, hang on. I need to put a bit of primer on your eyes. So let me just rub.
That's fine. Don't film.
Right. Look at me, please. Look at me, please.
What have my lips having for?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes! Look at me, please, because I can't see. I can't see. Can you look at me? Intense. Quite like the name of this colour.
I feel like you're just painting it on. You're not really like
I'll blend it in a minute.
a bit worried about that.
I can do eyeliner as well.
No, not doing eyeliner.
I can do whatever I like. on
You
my
cannot do
video.
eyeliner. I need to actually film this video afterwards, Eva.
Yeah, it's gonna look alright.
No, it's not eyeliner. Oh, I can see myself in the reflection of that colour. Oh! To be honest, it doesn't look that
It's
bad.
a colour you've used before.
Yeah, there is a blendy brush in there if you want a blending
Yeah, I
brush.
need a blendy brush.
Let me...
Tell me the right brush to use.
The brush, this one I got on my glossy box, and this is a Spectrum number 7 blending
Okay, I'm
brush.
using the Spectrum number 7. Right, I think that's fine for now.
Is there any fallout?
No, there isn't. What if I got like that? Like that.
Just stab me in the eye, why don't you?
Well, I don't do that much eyeshadow.
Oh God, no, don't use that.
I can use whatever I'd like to use.
Do you not know which one I normally use?
No, I do. I don't watch your videos. You used to use this one all the time. I think you use this.
No.
No, I'm going to use this.
I don't think that's my shade either. You
I'll
might have
see
to
what
mix
it
something
looks
to make my
like.
shade because it's quite. That's enough. That's quite. I don't know if that's quite my shade.
Well, I'll put some on and I'll see what happens.
You might have to add something lighter to that. A bit more lighter than that.
No, it's all good.
Careful, you got to actually dab even, not just like not hit me in the face. And why are you?
Oh, this looks good.
Why are you rubbing? You have. I don't normally use that side.
I can use whichever side I would like, thank you.
You're literally like.
Right,
you're
look
like,
at me, please. Oh, this looks good. This looks well good.
You're literally like hitting and dragging my face around.
Yeah,
It's not the way I do it. No, you have to be.
I don't have to do
gentle.
everything the way you do
You
it.
have to
We're very different kind
dab.
of people. You don't get out of bed till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I get out at 7
Yeah,
o'clock.
but you're literally dragging as if you're like painting on my face.
I am painting. I'm painting a
No,
masterpiece.
you're literally like.
Right, look at me now. Okay, cool. I'll just do this side. As the woman on cabin said, make it. Can you shut your mouth, please? Shut your mouth! You just got foundation and you're jumping now, so shut your mouth.
I haven't. Just feel like a
Shut your mouth. Look at my face. It looks fine, so.
Okay, what are you doing?
Well, I had to blend it into your hair.
Can't
Otherwise, you're gonna have an awful line.
Can't go.
Right, shut your mouth.
Why are you doing my lips? Eva,
Shut your mouth!
I don't want foundation lips.
I'll get rid of them in a minute. Oh, with some concealer. I actually think this looks better than you do.
Oh, tickly, tickly, tickly.
Right, hurry up. Shut up.
Mm.
I'm hungry. Here you go. Concealer time.
I got two. There's
Here we go.
that one, but there's also another couple of other
Is there a
concealers that
collection
aren't-
one?
There's two other collection ones that aren't
This is
normal ones.
I normally use.
There's this one and this one.
Okay, cool. I don't want that green shit.
That one's a lemon one.
Just
Oh.
use normal.
I normally use the lemon one under my eyes. Brightens your eyes, Eva.
Right, I need to cover your spots up.
But my chin.
I'm coming back to that. Can you look at me, please? I shouldn't have to.
A mole? You don't want to cover my moles. It's natural beauty.
I'm not sure.
Why are you dragging it? So you can't cope with the way you're. I can't cope with the way you're using that beauty blender. No, Eva. Literally.
Right, close your eyes. Right, I need to get that under.
Eva, you have
Hang
to
on, I need to use my
dab.
finger.
Dab.
Dab?
Dab
Thought we
with
left
the
that in
beauty
2016.
blender. Dragging all the makeup around. Okay.
Right. I'm gonna be a makeup artist.
Okay.
I know I didn't know what I wanted to do next year, but can you close your mouth, please? Close it and stop smiling. Just be neutral. Be you most of the time. Grumpy. Right. Oh, that looks quite good. Then I need to bake it.
Bake it?
Baking.
What's there to
You're
bake
putting
when
it
you
in the oven.
literally like hit my face? You've already baked it into my skin.
Right, let me look at you. Yes, I'm happy. Oh, I'm gonna have to redo the eyeshadow. Now we get to this stuff.
No, not that. No.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. There's something else that I normally use if you want that. Before you do that, or you're gonna use that.
I gotta do normal
I
powder
normally
as
use
well.
a cream contour stick.
Oh no, I use this stuff because I don't know how you use that. I'm not sure if this is the right baking brush. Oh, you look a bit like Casper the Ghost. Shit, you look like Casper. Look at me this way. Casper, where are you? We haven't spoken to our fans for a while.
No, I haven't.
Apart from me chatting shit. Shall we put a song on?
No.
Right. Okay. Okay, I'll just leave that for a minute. Whilst I find the other powder.
What are you using? What other powder?
Have you not got another powder for the rest of your face?
No, we use that one.
Oh, okay, I'll just brush this over your head then.
I can't go with the way you're doing this.
You might have to redo your hair in a bit because it looks like you got dandruff.
I can't go. I'm actually really scared
Have
to
you
look
gone
in the
back for your
mirror.
look of the teacup? I don't think you look that bad. I think you look like a bit like me or Kate.
Well, there you go then, that's a bit scary.
Ooh, jelly highlighter. I can't put that on it, I don't think. Oh, I don't want that.
Blush.
Can I go get mine out of my room, please?
Have you guys been watching The Cabins? I mean, it'll actually be over by the time that I
There's
upload
a
this, but-
thingy on Sunday.
Yeah, but by the time
Really
this is
new
uploaded,
intro.
it will be all completely...
Oh, this is illuminating powder.
It's a highlighter, but I don't think it's my...
Oh, no,
skin
that's
colour.
not. Can I go get my own makeup out?
No,
please?
you
I
can
can't
buy
find
makeup.
anything.
What do you want?
A highlighter.
Oh, there's highlight. I normally use highlight from
Oh, Imagination.
that one. Yeah,
Okay, have you got a fan brush?
I've hit pan on quite a few of these.
Right,
I
let
do
me
like
pick
this
a colour
one.
then. Look at me, please. Close your eyes. Like glow, sis.
You can take a thumbnail picture before the end of this. I think I'm going to take a picture where you like...
I'm going for the Tin Man today.
No, but I'm going to put like a question
Right.
mark over my face on the thumbnail.
Hang on a minute, I need to do a little bit more.
On the old forehead.
Yeah, but you gotta get rid of the...
Do you think this is acceptable for me to film a video with?
Yeah, I actually think you can at the moment. Right, I need
Are you
to...
doing bronzer after highlight?
Well, that's why
Why
I
are you
do
using
it.
that to put?
Well, I need to put it in and then I buff it out. And it's a nice white brush, I thought I'd make it go brown. Can you do duck mouth? Okay, now ducky on the other side. Sorry guys, not because this is what I meant to do. Okay, now this side. Now look at me. Right, I just need to do your nose.
You're contouring my nose.
Yeah, it makes you look smaller. I learned about this.
Let's do that.
Let me just get a different brush.
I don't normally contour my nose, but Eva's obviously an expert.
Kate told me, I think. Right. Let me just brush it out again. Not sure that's... Oh god.
Careful,
You've
you
got some
literally got
tram
the whole
lines that-
makeup off.
Oh no, I am.
Yeah, I
You've got
told
some
you.
tram lines on your
Be
nose now.
careful.
Let me see. Well, it looks smaller. It just got some tram lines either side. Okay, now I need some blusher. That was in this thing here, I think.
That was blush, yeah.
Right, blusher brush.
Careful with that one.
You not got a blusher brush.
Well, I normally would use the one you just use for my...
This one.
I normally use that, but...
Oh, we'll just wipe it off then. I got a big fluffy brusher brush. Look, good as new. No staining. Let me just have some coffee.
Which colour are you going to use?
A bit of both.
Okay.
Right,
Be
swirl it
careful though,
round.
you don't want too much, otherwise I'll end up looking like, I don't know, an ugly stepsister or something.
Well, you're ugly, that's right. I'll go for this one because you've used more of this one.
Yeah, I like that one. Should we tap the excess off?
I know that. Smile, please. Oh, that's quite good. Right, now look at me. Okay, I just need to do the eyeshadow again.
Just going back in.
The big brush, I like this brush. Okay, actually that looks quite good. I don't think there's anything I haven't used in here yet, apart from lipstick, but we'll come back to that. I'm just gonna go over this on your eyeshadow.
Careful, too much.
I think your fans might be disappointed in my skills here.
You said you were doing a good job.
Well, I am, but I'm also not bringing my usual comedy because I'm concentrating. So I think they might think we need Eva back, but not doing the makeup video next time. Right, let me look at me. Oh yes, that's good. Hang on a minute, I just need to get a bit more in the corner.
In the corner? Why are you putting dark in the corner?
Well, that's how I do it. I use bronzer as my eyeshadow.
Yeah, that's a
You
good
see?
clip. That's a good clip. That is. I
I
do that
d-
a lot of the time.
I haven't got any on today though. 'Cause
I've got loads of eyeshadow palettes, but half the time I do
Right.
just put bronzer on.
I went for a walk today, so no. so I haven't put eyeshadow on today. Eyeliner, where's that?
Oh, let's not do eyeliner.
No, I think this is like, oh yes.
But-
How does it come out white?
I'm
Okay.
scared.
Can you like, I'm not sure how I need you to do this.
Let's just not do eyeliner.
I might lie on the bed and go over the top of
No,
your
let's
head.
not do eyeliner.
No, it needs to be
You're
done.
gonna fuck this
Come
up,
here, come
Eva.
here.
You'll fuck it
I've
up.
already fucked it up once.
No, don't put eyeliner on because I got to film the. No,
Yes.
don't film eyeliner.
Okay, hang on, let me put your mascara
Oh,
on
my ear
then.
fell out.
You don't even wear
I
mascara.
don't wear mascara, so I won't even bother.
Okay, I'll curl the eyelashes.
Curl the. What's the point in not curling them if you're not going to do mascara?
No, Florrie taught me how to curl eyelashes the other day.
There's no point doing curling them if you haven't got. I'm not going to put mascara on.
Stop.
Like this. No, I don't like this.
Okay,
No.
right, let me just do your lipstick and then
How do
I'm
I
done.
look so far?
I do feel like I
Out,
haven't been my
let me
usual
know in the
self on
comments,
video.
out of 10, how far, how good you think she's doing.
There's something. Oh, that's a MAC one.
A nudie colour?
Right, I've got one. Please close your eyes. I need to do lip liner. There's one of those stick things here.
There's all, yeah, I could use that.
Okay, we'll use this one. Not sure which this matches, but you need to moisturise your lips when they're crusty. God, looks like a primary school kid. Right, I'm gonna give up there because I can't do that. I can't draw it, so
Doesn't feel like you could do it.
kind of sexy. This is kind of sexy by MAC.
It's not my
This is
favourite one,
The shade.
but it's okay.
Oh, I can't do this. Come here, look this way. You've got really crusty lips. Need to
Ah, cute! Why are you
Right, now
using the
rub together.
outside?
Now
You
rub
use
together
that
because
top
I
bit.
can't do that. Point rub together. Oh god, that was awful.
You're doing that in the most
Right, I
cat
think
kind of
that's
way
done.
ever.
I think I'm done.
Is that everything?
No, I need to tidy up the lipstick a bit.
Good old finger cook.
Oh, my lip liner in didn't go very well. Hang on, let me just get the lipstick out again. Right, I think we're done.
Okay, I'm gonna get my setting spray.
Oh, where's that?
That my
I
desk
don't
one.
normally use this. I use
Oh, we use
MAC
this.
Fix Plus. That was a really weird face you just pulled.
Right, let's let it dry before we
Oh, that feels
get a
lovely.
mirror. Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay, I'm here to finish the video off because I forgot to finish it and I deleted the clip.
Hey guys, I'm just quickly coming on to finish this video because we filmed this back in it was the end of January and I'm very late getting around to uploading this, and I went to edit it today and I realised that I don't actually have a clip for that end bit from when we zoomed out, so I'm sorry about that, but let me know what you thought of Eva doing my makeup. Do you think you did well?
I don't want to be in here.
Or tough? I don't think
It's not tough. I don't want to be
you were
in here.
literally in that clip a minute ago. You know, now you're kicking
Yeah, but
off.
look, I've got my double chins out here.
What? So yeah, I don't really know what happened to that clip. I must have deleted it by accident or something. But yeah, I hope you
But stay
enjoy
tuned for next week's vlog for my birthday content.
next week's Eva's birthday content.
Yeah, we've got my birthday in next week's vlog.
Wow. So yeah, this is like a month later, me ending this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments.
Since then.
Let me know in the comments how you think Eva did on my makeup. This is my makeup today, like just a natural look. So do you think she did like what I would do, or not sure personally? It's something that I would do, but my sister and my mum seemed to think that I looked no different, which I was a bit offended by. So yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn the notification bell, and we'll see you soon for a new video. Bye guys.